Two powerhouses in home security, one focused on premium tech, the other on wallet-friendly simplicity. Which one really delivers? On the left, Vivint, premium smart security, professionally installed. And on the right, Blink, affordable, easy, do-it-yourself security. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect. Okay, quick rundown. Here's what we're actually comparing. Price. Ah, yes, the big one. Installation, monitoring and security, like who's watching your house. Smart home integration. Does it play nice with other gadgets? Equipment and cameras, and honestly, everyone wonders about the app experience. That's our mind map for today. Now, let's kick off with, obviously, the money. Vivint is premium level pricing here. It's got those high-end features, includes professional monitoring, which sounds great, but then you see that $599 plus price tag for the equipment and monthly monitoring from $39.99. And there's a contract, sometimes up to 5 years if you don't pay up front. Oof, you gotta really want those premium features. Now, Blink, this is kind of the opposite energy. Starter kits under $200, no contracts, and monthly subscriptions are super affordable. You do need a subscription for some of the cool premium stuff, but for most folks, you're getting solid basics for way less. So, who's the winner on price? Blink takes this one, by a mile. All right, installation. With Vivint, you're getting the full white glove. Pros come over, set it all up for $49, and actually walk you through everything in person. Like, it's legit how seamless it is. Downside? There's no DIY option, and expect it to take most of your afternoon. Now, Blink is for the hands-on crowd. It's all DIY, super easy. You could honestly have this running in just minutes. But if you want a more advanced smart home setup, there's no pro to call in. So, for installation experience, Vivint's smooth and stress-free pro install wins, especially if tech makes you nervous. Let's talk real security, monitoring. Vivint offers 24/7 pro monitoring with some genuinely cool tech. Smart deter features like flashing lights, sound alarms, and AI that'll freak out intruders fast. The hub responds instantly, but you kinda have to pay monthly to really unlock these features. Blink is more laid back, motion alerts through the app, no monthly fees required, so it's great for self-monitoring. There's AI/person detection, but only if you pay for subscription, and honestly, not much in the way of actual crime deterrence stuff. So for pure security, Vivint is hands down the winner. Oh, and here's something cool you maybe didn't know. Vivint's outdoor cameras, they actually flash lights and whistle at suspicious folks. Complete Home Alone vibe. But on the flip side, Blink's cameras can run for over 2 years on just 2 AA batteries. Yep, 2. Onwards to smart home magic. Vivint is built for full-on automation. Alexa, Google Assistant, you can sync up doors, lights, thermostats, locks, the whole 9 yards. There's tons of device compatibility though, heads up. Recently they dropped Alexa Plus support, and sometimes you're kind of locked into their ecosystem for fancy stuff. Blink, super basic. Plays nice with Alexa, perfect for simple Echo Show camera routines, but like nothing for Google Home, Apple HomeKit, or any advanced automations. So, if you want to control your whole house, Vivint is definitely ahead here. Now for the actual gear, the equipment and cameras. Vivint shines here. We're talking Outdoor Pro and Doorbell Pro cameras, sensors for glass breaks, entry points, even smoke, CO, and water. You get the whole security suite. But max 12 cameras, so not limitless. And all these toys drive up your final bill fast. Blink brings decent image quality for the cost, and their newest models have AI person detection if you get the subscription. The battery-powered cams are super flexible. Toss them anywhere. Missing? Advanced features like facial recognition, package detection, and you gotta pay monthly for that AI. Vivint wins this round. Superior gear, no question. Let's wrap up with the app experience. Vivint has a pretty robust and well-rated mobile app. It's like mission control for your house, with real-time notifications, tons of smart home controls. But not gonna lie, there's a learning curve. And surprisingly, only a 4-month equipment warranty? Blink's app is way more straightforward. Ideal for viewing cameras, doing Alexa routines, really intuitive. Downside? Not as much customization or automation. Basically, if you just want to see who's outside, Blink is awesome. If you're the kind who loves tweaking, Vivint's got more to offer. Honestly, this one's a tie. Let's sum up how these contenders stack up across our categories. Vivint is obviously the gold standard for security, equipment, and smart home stuff, though you pay for that. Blink wins big on price and simplicity, and honestly holds its own in app experience. Choosing comes down to what matters most to you. So here's my take. If you want absolute peace of mind, professional monitoring, and a system that practically runs your house, Vivint's for you, especially if you've got a bigger home or fancy tech dreams. But if you just want solid DIY security that doesn't wipe out your bank account, maybe you're renting, maybe you just want something easy, Blink delivers big time. Both have quirks, both are solid, just depends on what feels right. Ready to choose? Take a second to think about your actual security needs, your budget, and honestly, how much tech stuff you want to deal with. Compare, pick your winner, and get that peace of mind for 2025.